Okay, so here's the rule for corners. The key is you want your lights, no matter what happens here, you want your lights to always be the whatever spacing you're using, be it 2 inches or 3.5. I do 4 inches on 90% of my homes. I cut myself a little block of wood. I don't have it with me right now. All my stuff's packed up. But anyway, so you get to a corner like this. Most people, they want to go like this and put a light out here so that it's close to their corner or whatever. You don't want to do that. It'll kill the continuity of your lights. So, and they don't know what to do with this excess right here. So what you want to do is say, it doesn't matter whether your light's here or here, however it ends, you use the L, I call it the L rule. You're gonna take your light and your spacer and you're gonna make an L, right? See how I'm using my finger to make the L? And you're gonna put your spacer here. And look, so that's not, see if you can see that. So that doesn't work. See your wire's all out of whack. So you move this down until your wire is running straight for the L. Can you see that? Making your perfect L. So, bam. So then that's what you've got. Now you're gonna have this wire hanging right here. If you're using tracks, you're gonna run your track to here and a track to here, and then you're gonna put your 90 cover your 90 cover over it, or you can cut 45s and butt the tracks together. But that's what you do. And if you're just using clips, you have your L right here, and you put a clip on this side of the L and on that side of the L. And then that's what you get. You get that perfect look. And this light here is gonna be your exact spacing and create the dome effect that is going to create the same dome effect and spacing right here. So there won't be different sized domes and you won't see break in the actual lighting. Everything will be symmetrical.